Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Kemper Insurance policy, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Kemper Insurance policy, first, gather your policy details. This includes your policy number and personal identification information. Next, visit the Kemper Insurance official website. On the homepage, locate the Login or Customer Access option. Click on that button to proceed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you don't have an account, look for the option to create an account or register. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once registered, return to the login page and sign in using your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Policy Management section. Here, you will find options related to your policy activation. Select the option to activate your policy. You may be prompted to enter additional information, such as your driver's license number. Make sure to review all the policy details and terms carefully. Confirm that the information is accurate before proceeding. Once verified, click on the Submit or Activate button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your policy is now active. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, contact Kemper Customer Support. They are available to assist you with any questions or concerns. Keep a record of your confirmation for your reference. This ensures you have proof of your activated policy. Congratulations, your Kemper Insurance policy is now active and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.